I've got legs every day right here, 8 pairs. This is the size Q, suntan, sheer toe. 8 pairs. It's got the sizing on the back. So we got A, B, Q, and Q plus. Shows the different measurements here for that. I'm going to just go ahead and open it up and show you one of the pairs. Oh, so they're all wrapped up together, it looks like. Well, in 2 different. So this is going to be 4, and then there's going to be another bunch in the package there. So you'll take 4 out at a time. You can wind it back up, stick it back in, and here is one pair of leggings, or legs, pantyhose. Here we go.